In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best survival gear available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need the best survival gear, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Buying Guide present top 5 best survival gear. Let's get started. Number 1. Iunio Camping Axe. A survival axe is an important one for your survival gear list. It can help you build a shelter, get through a thick bush, hammer in tent pegs, cut firewood for warmth, hunt food, and be a valuable self-defense weapon. The axe we have chosen is the Iunio Camping Axe. It's exceptionally versatile, adjustable, and strong, great for survival. The head of the axe is made from high-carbon steel and cuts well. The handle is adjustable in length, ideal for extra leverage or tight working angles. It's great for splitting small logs and kindly or clearing bush. It's not the best for heavy chopping though, and the axe head can loosen if pushed too hard. Size 16.93 inch. Weight 2.5 pounds. Metal high-carbon steel and aluminum alloy.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. EGKH Gurkha Kukri Army Issue. A good survival knife is also a valuable addition to your survival gear. It'll cut you out of a tricky situation, skin game, cut food, help make shelters, and protect you if needs be. It's hard to find a more versatile survival knife than a kukri, and you won't find a better one than the EGKH Gurkha Army Issue Kukri. This knife is made in Nepal by Vishwakarmas that have been making kukris longer than anyone. It comes with the highest quality steel blade with a full tang for ultimate strength and durability. It arrives extremely sharp and will clear a path through the jungle with ease. It's ideal for any kind of knife work. And if you're hunting, there's a handy notch at the base to stop blood from getting on the handle. Blade length 16 inch. 5160 carbon steel. 2.2 pounds.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 3. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The most important thing we all need for survival is water. Without water, every one of us will be dead after 24-48 hours. It's pretty much impossible to carry a proper filtration system around while trekking, but the LifeStraw makes it possible. The LifeStraw is a thin, light, portable water filter that requires no power source. You simply place it in dirty water, suck and drink up to 1,000 gallons of fresh, clean water from one straw. That's probably more water than an average person drinks in a year. The filter removes 99.99% of all bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from water, making any fresh water drinkable. Not only that, but weighing just 2 ounces with a slim, compact design, the LifeStraw isn't going to add weight or take up space in your backpack. The filtration system has been rigorously tested so you can be confident when dipping the straw into dirty water. The only issue with the LifeStraw is that it's a little hard to use. You'll have to lie down next to your water source and suck hard. However, for an easy-to-carry piece of survival gear, it checks all the boxes. Filter capacity 1,000 gallons. Membrane thickness 0.2 microns. Weight 1.62 ounces.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 4. EMDMAK Survival Kit. If there is one thing we should all carry with our survival gear, it's a comprehensive survival kit. Having one of these means that the day you forget a fire starter, a compass, a knife, the survival pack has a spare and more. The EMDMAK Survival Kit has everything you could ever need. Whether you're fishing, hunting, climbing, or trekking, it has the tools for you. The tools aren't the highest quality, but for $20 you're getting an excellent variety of tools that hopefully you'll never need to use, but when you do, everything you need will be there. In this survival kit, there's a compass, wire cutter, multi-tool, fire starter, emergency blanket, and a flashlight to name a few. All of these tools come in a slim, compact, waterproof, and shock-resistant case that only weighs 6.8 ounces. It's easy to store and carry on any adventure. Don't go on your next trip without one. Weight 6.8 ounces. Case stainless steel. Waterproof, yes.
Check product link and price on video description below.
Number 5. Surviveware Small First Aid Kit. One thing that should be at the top of your survival gear list is a first aid kit. Accidents do happen, and in the wild, a proficient first aid kit can be the difference between life and death. The Surviveware Small First Aid Kit is small, light, and compact, making it easy to carry. It is also MAL compatible and can easily be added to your backpack. The bag is made from 600D polyester, is water resistant, and keeps all the first aid items safe and secure. The kit contains 100 basic items, clearly labeled and compartmentalized in the inner sleeves of the bag. This makes everything quick and easy to find during an emergency. The sleeves are also labeled by category and theirs, and an extra zipper pouch for any prescription medications or extras you'd like to add. Bag material 600D polyester. Weight 1 pound. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.